sometimes you need a bigger batch, right? Like you want to make a whole bunch of gem elixir. And that's something that you might want to do with a stone like rose quartz. So with that, you can use either the direct or indirect method. So indirect would be putting the stones near, right? Near the water, or putting it inside of another glass container and putting it in. Or you can just drop the stone right into the glass container. Now, I explained last time, so if you weren't hanging out with us last time, even though rose quartz is safe to put in water, the way these are cleaned, the way they are tumbled and polished, often includes some sort of chemical application. And being a holistic wellness practitioner, I try to avoid chemicals as much as possible. So I personally prefer the indirect method. I recommend the indirect method more to my patients and clients. However, if the direct method is something that you like to do, then rose quartz is one that you can put directly into the water and then consume that water. The one way I like to use rose quartz for a direct method is in the bathtub. So rose quartz can be really, really soothing to the skin. And so you can take a rose quartz bath and you can amp that up by adding some rose petals and different things. It's also really great for kids, assuming they're old enough not to put the rose quartz in their mouth. My daughter struggles with psoriasis, which is an autoimmune condition that we treat naturally. One of the ways that we treat her psoriasis and eczema is in a soaking tub with some herbs, some minerals, including rose quartz, and some rose petals. So that's something to try as well.